my favorite song was, still it is my favorite song. You're the light,
What?
you're the night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanted
Yeah.
to touch. Never knew that it could mean so much, so much. So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do.
Baby, love me like you do.
Touch me like
Yeah.
you do, da da, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Yeah, I enjoyed a lot.
Great. So you listen Bhojpuri song because you are also from Bihar and I'm also from UP.
Yes, yes, why not?
You enjoy
Yeah, I
it?
enjoyed it. Especially when we are going to do dance. So that time we used to.
Yeah, especially when we are in function. So without Bhojpuri song, our function doesn't complete.
Yes.
Live in nuclear family. I live in nuclear family. Me, my husband, and my son. So sometime I feel like okay we have when I have in-laws, so I may be free. I maybe go out without my son because with the son going in the market is kind of a taxing job. I can't manage because in case of my son is very mischievous and very active.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and when he was 2 year old, 3 year old, so it's kind of very taxing job to handle them when I just wanted to go bathroom and all.
Yes. So yes, whenever I
He
have
is
to go
he was
outside,
always around
so
me.
I just said to my in-laws that just take care to my kid. I am going. So in this way, I'm not feel
I
pressurized. That,
couldn't, yeah, I couldn't go bathroom even
yes.
like, to leave him
You couldn't
alone
go.
in the other
You
room.
couldn't go due to your kid. I couldn't go to due to my in-laws. They allow us. They allow
Yeah,
me, but in a
yeah.
yes, in a silently, I feel like that. Yesterday I went. If today I go, so it is not
Mm-hmm.
no. Then what they thinking about me? That every day she is going somewhere. It is observe, so that is why. So
Okay.
that is why
Hmm.
I'll
Mhm.
mostly I stay at home. So why
Okay.
then I feel that why should not utilize this time and later on
When
when
did
you
you
are
get
going.
married?
Yeah, I have completed my 4 years. Now I in
four
February I
years.
have completed 10th
Okay.
February.
Great.
What about your
Great. So
marriage?
you are enjoying? Um, I got married November 19.
November 19.
It's been
Okay,
6 years. 6 years.
6 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Seventh is running. Mm.
Yeah. So you are talking, you are listening English music song. So could you
Yeah.
sing one song?
Ah.
Little bit.
Yeah, I
What
try.
about your favorite
Yeah,
song?
I'm trying. Okay, right now I'm just like I try to listen one song at least for a week
Hmm.
uh, to become habitual of that. So right now I'm listening. I'm alone. I'm like no, I'm alone. Not I'm alone. I'm
Hmm.
alive. I'm alive. When you look at me, when you oh God,
No, no,
I
no,
can
no.
sing. Okay,
Yes.
I feel alive when you call on me, when you hear me, when I hear you breathe, I get alive. I can feel I'm alive when you look at me. I get my wings to fly. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's great. You sing a nice song.
Oh no, it
No,
was
no, no,
not
no,
nice.
seriously. Yeah.
Mhm.
But when I was listening, so
So
that time my favorite song was, still it is my favorite song. You're the light,
what?
you're
Which
the
one?
night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only
You are the
thing I
king.
wanted
Yeah,
to
honey.
touch. Never knew that it could mean so much, so much. So love me like you do, la la, love me
You
like you
do,
do.
baby, love me like you do.
Touch me like
Yeah.
you do, da da, touch me like you do.
Oh, wait.
What are you waiting for? Yeah, I enjoyed a lot.
Great. Great. I'm also enjoying when you are singing.
Yeah, but barely people they are listen English song.
Hmm. Yeah, in
Because
India.
they said yeah, Yeah, definitely we enjoy when we listen Hindi song. But if you start listen English song, so then gradually you gain interest as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do you listen Bhojpuri song? Because you are also from Bihar and I'm also from UP. So
Yes, yes. Why not?
do you enjoy
Yeah,
it?
I enjoyed, especially when we are going to
Yeah.
do dance. So that time we
Yeah,
start.
especially when we are in function. So without Bhojpuri song, our function doesn't complete.
Yes, it's like a incomplete. So that is why.
Every Yeah, every UP and Bihar family is it's kind of compulsory part to play Bhojpuri song. Any like marriage party, birthday party, anyway, anything.
Yes, yes, yes.
When it comes to the function and party, then like we always play Bhojpuri song. I also love to dance with Bhojpuri song. Without
Hmm.
song, I can't imagine to dance.
That's great. Yes, go
Okay,
with the flow.
okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. And so what does so I have one question. Shall I ask you?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Okay. So what does success mean to you?
Success
What does
means,
success mean?
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Success means if you are happy, whatever you have, if you feel that,
Hmm.
yeah, it's enough for me and I have to uh, I have to make myself happy in this way. I'm not talking about that you don't need to thinking about progress. You have to thinking about the progress as well. But the thing is that whatever you have, just go with happiness. Don't do like
Hmm.
objection, like don't do like how to say, yes, whatever we have to just gratitude that,
We
yeah,
have to be satisfied with that.
yes, satisfied,
Yeah,
whatever
yeah,
we have to just satisfied. So
yeah.
this thing
Satisfaction is
is,
the best key to be
yeah,
happy and be successful. Like, be happy means to I am success right now in our life. So whatever we have, just try to be satisfied with that
yes,
because our desire doesn't complete.
yes,
Like,
yes,
it's kind
absolutely.
of tendency. Our desire always grow with a different kind of if today if I have car then maybe tomorrow I wanted to I just want
Another,
to have a another BMW like something.
yes, yes,
So it's kind
absolutely.
of human tendency.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. So
So
that
we
is
have
why
to be
satisfaction
satisfied what
is,
we have right now.
satisfaction is very important. If you feel
Yeah,
that
yeah.
if I get this
And
job, then I will feel like I am successful. So
yeah,
not at all. Then when you get that
yeah.
job, then you start thinking about the another. And this is the life
Yeah.
process. We should think about this
Hmm,
thing.
hmm, hmm.
But yeah, we should always feel like that whatever
Satisfied.
we have to
Yeah.
just gratitude and satisfied.
Yeah, we should not compare ourselves with the other person,
Yes,
especially
yes, yes,
because
yes.
when we start to comparing with the other person, so automatically we become gloomy, we become sad. Okay, this person have that kind of luxury things and that kind of life, and I don't have.
Yes.
So we feel gloomy and we feel
Yeah.
sad. We
Yeah.
can't. So we should avoid that part.
Yes, absolutely. If you start thinking in this way, so only you will suffer. And why why you have to suffer yourself? Just stay
Yes.
happy. We need, internal peace.
Yes,
So
internal
that is
peace,
why.
mind peace is the more
Yes.
important.
So that is why we
Yeah.
should
So do you
always,
do yoga? Yoga, yeah.
I'm
Do you
always
do
thinking
yoga
about to
and
do meditation and
meditation?
yoga, but I'm not a early bird, so that is why I'm not doing this thing.
Okay.
Actually,
After waking up,
yes,
you
ac-
had to rushing and
yeah,
rushing.
actually, my actually in my home, my all
Hmm.
family member they having a late at dinner, so that is why I go to sleep late at night. So it is not
Hmm.
possible to wake up early in the morning. So I wake up around 7 to 8 a.m. So that
Hmm.
is why in this way I have lots of, after that I have lots of work like household
Yeah,
chores.
yeah.
So that is why I can't give my time yoga and meditation. But yeah, after later on I will do after
No,
some
later on, like
time.
how year old your baby right now?
My daughter is 15 months old.
15 months, 1.5 year, I can say.
Yes, yes. So that is why
No, so
I
one and a
also
half is,
in the night
yeah.
I also suffered because of her, because I have to
Mm-hmm.
feed her and some. So that is why.
Oh, yeah. You have to wake up
Yeah, in
in the
between I have
night
to
and
wake up. So that is why. But yeah, after sometimes I will start yoga and meditation as well, because
so
this is also
must
the
be.
part of our life and we should have to do. Doesn't matter if you suffered any problem, then you start doing. Not at all. We have
Yeah,
to do.
definitely. Yes, yes, you are right.
Yeah. Do you
So
do?
once you're no, I'm also thinking, okay, one day I will do meditation, I will do yoga, but I'm also not
But that day is not
fond
come.
of to wake up early, yeah, because right now my son goes to school, so I have to wake up early to prepare his tiffin and all to get him ready. So once your child uh, get start to going schools, then you will also like you have to wake up early.
Yes,
You
yes.
will have to wake up early on that time. So that time you like you don't have time to
Yes, that time another thing is
another
surrounding
things
me. So
happen.
that is
Yeah,
why
yeah, yeah, yeah,
then again I feel like that no, I don't have much time. So,
yeah, yeah.
but if you are really passionate about to do yoga
Hmm,
and
hmm, hmm,
meditation,
hmm.
then you will
You
start
can do.
not tomorrow, you will
Hmm,
start
hmm, hmm,
today.
hmm. Yeah,
And if
if
we are
you really
not
want to
doing
do.
today, so because of we are lacking our passion. So
Hmm,
that is
hmm,
why.
hmm. Yeah,
Desire. We
yeah.
don't
Right
have
now
much desire, that is why we are not doing. But once
we are
it
just
is come
procrastinate.
desire, once it is
Hmm.
come into our desire, then we are not thinking about here and there. We just do.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
If
Yeah.
we have to do, then we will do. So it
Hmm,
is
hmm,
totally
hmm.
depending on mindset. So that is
Hmm.
why.
Right now we are totally procrastinating the doing yoga and meditation,
Yes, yes.
but
It
we
is
should
all
do.
about
We should
procrastination. That is
start.
why we are
But
not doing.
yeah, but starting in winter, like we can't start in winter. It is not a Herculean task
Okay,
to
we should
start
have
in
to wrap up
winter.
this session.
Okay,
We
we
will
should
connect
wrap
once
it.
again later on. Okay?
Okay, yeah, we
Yes,
will
yes.
cross
And
our
nice
path
talking with
again.
you.
Okay,
Thank you
bye
so
bye.
much for giving me your
It
precious
was a
time. I
great
enjoyed a
conversation.
lot
Thank you.
having a session with
Thank you.
you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you.
Nice
Thank
talking with
you.
you. Good night.
Bye bye. Have a great day.
Same to you.
Likewise.